We have made significant moves forward with Webex in the last several months. There is also going to be additional changes coming as well. The biggest thing that I keep hearing from everyone is now we support the 9800 phones. That also means we also support activation codes on the 9800 phones. So I'll show you that in just a moment as well. But there's other things as well, like being able to set up the voicemails, properly set up the voicemail greetings for either busy or no answers for within Webex as well. Call pickup notifications, and also being able to properly sync back and forth to AD as well. Which was a big thing because there's still a lot, even though Webex is mostly cloud-based, AD is still self-hosted. It's going to, actually it's going to be helping out with it quite a bit. If you like, I'll go ahead and actually just show you real quickly the kind of a few of the things, how we're now have integrated some of those changes in with Webex instead. So we're going to start out with favorites of exactly where we need to go. And again, because we actually work with Active Directory, we'll start there. I will go ahead and pick a user that needs to be created. And I will grab them. You'll notice there's no phone number there yet. There's nothing there. We have their department, very limited information, but let's go ahead and just create them. We pull them in. We already know their department. We already know that they've been set into Webex calling, so that's great. They've already had their phone number already pre-assigned. Their PIN and password is already assigned. Yeah, but we need to go ahead and make sure that they have a device added. We're going to add one. And you could set this up as a default as well. We're just kind of doing this for demonstration purposes. And just for this, I want to make sure I'm going to use an activation code. I don't want to have to find a MAC address for it. So I am going to grab a 9851, make sure it gets added. I don't have anything. I will actually go ahead and add them into a virtual line group as well in this case, making it very simple, all in one common workflow. There it is again. But we're going to do it immediately, and that's it. That's all it took to actually be able to have, instead of having to go through pages and pages and process, that's done. This is actively calling out to Webex right now, making the change, making sure it's actually going there. Sorry, it's taking a second there. Okay, but that's already done. Green means good. You can see now they actually have their phone number in Active Directory where that's actually been used. Going back to my favorites again, I want to see if they're actually there with users. I go and I find Carolyn again, who I just created. I'm going to go and check her services. And look, there's her phone number again. We know she's already been set up. We know her package. And now we know as well that she's been added to Webex. We know that she has a virtual line. We know she has a device. We know everything about it.